Today, we'll take a look at how dashboards work in SimplifyQA and how they help you track, analyze, and monitor key testing and defect metrics in real time. SimplifyQA dashboards provide a clear, data-driven view that makes it easier to identify trends, spot issues, and make informed decisions quickly. To get started, click on the dashboard's icon and select Defect Management. Here, you can view all defect-related reports in one place. You can filter reports by project, release, and sprint to focus on the data that matters most. Reports can also be shared or downloaded in formats such as CSV, Excel, or image, making collaboration simple. The Drill to Detail option allows you to dive deeper beyond the graphs, while hovering over charts gives you instant access to detailed statistics. You can also view related queries from this section and use SQL queries to customize and refine the dashboard views as needed. And that's it. SimplifyQA dashboards make it easy to analyze, understand, and share your testing insight.